Now let us begin two-digit addition from left to right. So how to calculate? So the calculation should be internally. So without using pen and paper, that you keep in mind. The technique is, for example, let's have one simple addition of 47, 32. So I'm writing over here, but without writing anywhere. Just while saying only, we can say answer by the end. Let us see how to solve. So these numbers, if you observe, these are they'll never carry. So non-carry. Directly 4 3 is 7 and 7 2 is 9. So 79 is in normal answer, right? If you do in general, that is 7 and 9. 79 if it is a plus. Even if you do from the right to left also, okay, 7 and 2. 7 2 is 9 and 4 3 is 7. So totally 79. In general, we will do from right to left by taking extra. If it is more than 9, if it is a 10 if you get answer, more than 9 if you get, we'll keep an extra number and we'll add to the next. In that case, we must require the pen and paper. You must write on the paper and you can do calculation. But if you think in this one simple technique, for example, 32, imagine like 3 plus 2. Sorry, 30 plus 2. 32, if you write like a place value type, 32 is 30 plus 2. Instead of adding 32 directly internally in mind, we'll add 30 and 2. Okay, just if you see example only, 47. If you add 30, that is 77, right? Again, next to 2. Add 2, no, that is 79. Same will get, but indirectly the concept is we are splitting the down part which we are adding, that we are making into the parts according to the units, tens, hundreds. So this is the non-carry. Let us have the problem about some carry combination. So that is, okay, for example, 67 plus 28. So the main concept what I am explaining is we should not use any paper pen. Internal calculations how to do. Little bit practice if you do, it will be perfect in meanwhile. Now if you see this thing, just only in mind, keep in mind that is 28 is 20 plus 8. Okay, that is one technique. So 67, 20. Instead of adding 28, actually general addition is 7 plus 8 is 15. Again, one will carry to the next. So that carrying also should remember in internally. If you are doing the oral, means 7 and 8 is 15. We'll write 5 and extra 1 we should keep, and that we need to add. Okay, if you normal addition, 7 plus 8 is 15, right? We'll keep 5 and 1. This all should keep in memory. Again, 1 plus 6 plus 2 should add. Instead of this all, directly the process is 28. If they asked a question 67, 28. 28 just in mind, keep 20 and add to that. Okay, that is 67 plus 20 is 87, right? Next will add this 87 plus 8. Single digit is simple. 87 plus 8 is 95. Same will get, but we are making the thing is here, just we are making two parts and we are adding. There is only this main difference, right? If you see one more, like same 84 plus 57. Okay, now for this what we can do, just 57, right? This is a 50 plus 7. So from this 84 plus 50. 84 plus 50, just you can see even 8 and 5 also. 8 5 is just 13, so 134 exactly. Need not to remember in 84 plus 50, just 8 5. We can take just only 13. 8 5 is just 13. Next to 4, 134. For this we'll add that extra 5, extra 7, so that is same 141. So internal calculations we can do for this. Okay, now previous example, when you notice 67, 28, you see, instead of adding 28, we can add 30 and subtract 2 also. There is also an alternate method. So in this case, previous example, you notice once, if it is round figure near, like 67, we need to add to 28. If it is near to the tens or hundreds, 28, right? This is in another method is 30 minus 2. for 67 I should add 28, but I am adding 30. 67 plus 30 is just 97 in mine, but instead of adding 28 I added 30, so extra 2 I should subtract. 97 minus 2 is 95. Same will come. This is the another technique you can follow. If it is near to the tens, this all calculation should be in internal. Okay, anything concept also same to remember in case. Okay, like if you notice, even 68 plus 45. 45 is near to 50. Just add 50 and subtract 5, or else add 40 and again 5. Two ways, which is convenient for you. That way you can choose 40 plus 5 or 50 minus 5, because near to the 45 case, both are the same similar case. 68 40, okay, 108. Internally you are calculating 68 plus 45, right? 68, just 4 in mind. 68 40 is just simply 108 5 113. So calculation should be done internally. That is the main thing we need to remember here. So any additions based on these two digits, don't write on the paper and try with pen. Just keep in mind, take the parts. Imagine the base also, making two parts in mind, and you can calculate. So this is one of the way we can proceed two digit additions from left to right. Same concept, how to do the more steps on three digit additions. Let us do now.